Hi, my name is Sumeet Dhesi, and I will be doing my presentation on complementary and integrative medicine in China. The most prevalent health issues and illnesses in China are currently non-communicable diseases. They're the largest portion of China's burden of disease. Stroke, cancer, and heart disease are the leading causes of death and disability. Non-communicable diseases are continuing to rise, primarily due to aging and unhealthy lifestyle habits in China. Smoking currently, more than half of Chinese men smoke, um, and tobacco has killed more than 1 million Chinese people in 2010, and the projection is that in 2030 it will kill more than 10 million. Traditional Chinese medicine is the most common type of complementary and alternative medicine in China. Um, TCM is a distinct medical system that has evolved in China over the past 5,000 years. Um, the TCM includes acupuncture, herbology, food therapy, cupping, and many other treatments. 95% of hospitals in China have a TCM department, so it is very institutionalized and state supported. Medical students go through traditional Chinese medicine training as a part of their education as well. Integrative medicine, integrative medicine in China was established in the post-communist China in order to modernize traditional Chinese medicine. Um, Integrative medicine in China uses a collaborative approach to medicine, combining both Western medicine with traditional Chinese medicine. This has been widely supported by the Chinese government via numerous campaigns. China is one of the countries that supports complementary and alternative medicine the most. 98% of physicians in China have training in traditional Chinese medicine, along with Western medicine as well. In 1997, approximately 40% of all healthcare delivered in China was in the form of traditional Chinese medicine. Um, Traditional Chinese medicine and cancer care in China. Many physicians in China are incorporating traditional Chinese medicine as complementary therapy in cancer care. There was a qualitative focus group study, which included 28 participants, and they found that the main reason that patients and physicians were pursuing incorporating TCM in cancer care was due to the fear of chemotherapy and its side effects. On the biochemical level, patients and people tend to believe that chemotherapy weakens a person so much that the body does not have enough energy to fight off the disease anymore. On a psychological level, the patient's positive perception of traditional Chinese medicine and the belief that it's an effective and harmless therapy led to people choosing to pursue TCM because they think that it can only help. Um, Low cost is another appealing factor of TCM, and the results of this study showed that there was a positive effect of TCM on cancer treatment, and this was likely due to the positive perceptions of TCM from the patients receiving it. There is more research needed, though, in this subject to develop a clear statement. The suggested complementary and alternative medicine modality I would suggest is to continue to emphasize TCM and to incorporate it to reduce prevalence of non-communicable diseases in China. Although TCM is already popular and being used in China, there has not been an abundance of research on incorporating it in treatment plans for non-communicable diseases. The research that has been done has been successful, and it's largely due to people's positive perceptions of traditional Chinese medicine. I believe that traditional Chinese medicine will be an effective and adhered to by the population in China because it's already a strong cultural force and people have a strong belief system in it. That being said, there needs to be more research in proving its effectiveness of TCM on non-communicable diseases such as cancer in order to use it more. Effectiveness and benefits of traditional Chinese medicine. There's not a question necessarily of whether traditional Chinese medicine is effective, um, because this has been shown numerous times that it is effective. An extract from a plant that's been used by TCM practitioners for hundreds of years is now a promising anti-malarial drug. Um, TCM has found a cure for eczema that has been picked up by a pharmaceutical company. Possible widespread applications, uh, as the examples illustrate above, and there's many other examples similar to these, TCM can be beneficial in a variety of different illnesses and diseases, and it can have very widespread applications. A prospective observational study was done, and it found some adverse effects of traditional Chinese medicine in some patients, including nausea, abdominal pain, diarrhea, and in some occasions, herbs and natural remedies have been fatal due to some allergic reactions that people have. This slide is just a list of my references, and I hope this slideshow was informational. Thank you.